Get acquainted with the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, adaptive cruise control, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, keyless start, backup camera, aluminum wheels. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.